I am here at the site of Iraqi Safe House of Innovation. As you can see, the site is still dirt, and we are excited to be the one who were selected to design the future Iraqi Safe House of Innovation for Hisham al-Dhahabi. So what we did is, the first thing, we did a workshop. We did a workshop at the current location, and where we invited the boys to participate. And so I did a presentation where I showed them spaces that has three-dimensional aspects to it in terms of volume, shape, geometry, as well as light. And we also showed a natural environment, whether indoor and outdoor. And we also showed images that shows the play between texture, light, and color. And it was lovely to see the kids as they were looking at the images. They were having these signs of excitement and interest. And that was a great way to engage them. So then what I did is I gave each one of them a tracing paper with lots of colors, and they started drawing. So I gave them a little bit of an introduction to the value of a space from a psychological point of view and how it affects the human being, and how a space can feel safe or exciting or calm, and how you can feel more creative in a space. So then they start drawing. So each kid was able to make a drawing, and they put their names on it. And then I took all these drawings, went back to the drawing board, and went back to my office, and I started envisioning these drawings, which are 2D drawings for a 3D object. So we actually translated those drawings into 3D interpretation in the space. So each classroom was taking one of the kids' drawings and translating it into an architectural 3-dimensional space. So that was like a great way to have the kids engaged and their work as part of the design. And we believe that engaging the kids is a great way to inspire their sense of confidence, their sense of creative self, and that design is actually applied to the whole building. Now, in terms of sustainability, we're very excited because we're gonna try our best to get the highest possible LEED certification for the project. And by that, we're going to balance all the environmental sustainabilities measures as well as economic sustainability, so to arrive at the optimal solution. We are very excited because we have new ideas that I'm very excited to introduce in the project, which actually connects the kids to the internal environment from different ways, whether through a plant or through a bird. But we have these connections that we are establishing that creates a sense of safety and security within the kids' mind. And we are excited to be actually collaborating with all Iraqis, and our team is completely made out of all Iraqi talents that are inside Iraq as well as outside Iraq. Thank you so much.